Welcome. Are you ready to stop using AI like a basic tool and start building your own personalized AI assistant? Today, we're going to show you how to build your custom AI agent in under 5 minutes with zero coding. The era of general AI is rapidly coming to an end. Think about it. Using basic ChatGPT in 2026 is like using a massive library when you could have a dedicated personal professor guiding you. It's too generic for real, specific problems. The future belongs to custom AI agents. This is an assistant that knows your voice, understands your specific business processes, and has access to all your private files. And here's the best part. You can build this personalized powerhouse in just 5 minutes with absolutely zero coding required. Let's walk through the 3 simple steps to building your first agent. Step 1. Choose your platform. Whether you use OpenAI's GPT Builder, Zapier Central, or a dedicated platform like Mind Studio, the choice is yours, but the process is similar. Step 2. Give your AI a clear persona. Tell it exactly who it is. Are you building a legal researcher, a coding expert, a financial analyst, or a customer service representative? Be specific. Step 3. The secret sauce, knowledge. Upload all your files, your PDFs, spreadsheets, standard operating procedures, or even your past emails. This data is what makes the AI truly you and your business. Now let's talk about why you absolutely need a custom agent. For freelancers, this agent can seamlessly handle your client onboarding, answer frequently asked questions, and even close deals while you're focused on creative work, or better yet, sleeping. For students, your agent turns a 500-page textbook into a chatty personal tutor that can quiz you and clarify complex topics instantly. It's a force multiplier for your time and learning. This is your chance to step up and harness the next wave of AI productivity. The gap between those who merely use AI and those who actually build and customize AI is growing wider every single day. Don't just observe the future, build it. Build your first custom AI agent today. Check the link in the description to get started.